Hello, welcome to Drea's Travels. Today we're doing an unboxing of a slim treadmill from Rhythm Fun. Now I couldn't find many videos on this slim treadmill, so I'm going to show you what it looks like and what the setup looks like. And I understand this is not a normal travel video, but since we are not traveling right now, we still need to help getting up our steps and walking more. So let's open this box. We bought this from Amazon for about $600. I'm not a sponsor, but I'll leave a link below if interested looking it up. Alright, we got all the straps off. Alright, now we got the straps off and we're just gonna lift up this box.
It's light.
Isn't that light?
You're like, I help with my fingertips.
I'm just used to having to carry it.
You're like, oh, this,
Help me. Looks like they got some vince tape in here. This is probably the power cord.
where do you want it to go?
I was thinking behind this island. So
Right there?
yeah, we'll have to move the glass over. Ooh, there's something to put together.
Okay.
Alright, is there space for the box or something? That in at that side, and then alright. The tape. Oh, Andre, you didn't see that? No, I didn't see the tape. My whole butt's in the camera. It's nice.
Oh, Cooper, don't be scared.
Alright, so it wasn't too heavy taking it out the box. It's almost like lifting a big screen TV. Now let's take this wrapping off.
Andre. It's cute. Look that side. Here, cover it.
Alright, now we have it out the box. It says that we raise up the arms and then lock it in place manually. And then we'll plug it in and see how it rolls. Alright, so now we're going to pull the handles up. So my sister's going to demonstrate. So now it's locked into place. And then if you ever want to undo it, there's a handle right below it that will easily just release it and put it back down. And then you can store it under your sofa or lean it up against the wall. All right, so it's time to plug it in and see what the power is like on this treadmill. So the power is going to be on the right side of the treadmill. You can see this is the on and off switch, and here we're going to plug it in. It kind of looks like a computer cord. So it's a little hard to tell, but from this Amazon product, we have the treadmill on sideways right now. The plug's a little hard to get in because this doesn't line up perfectly with the power cord. For some reason, it's just a little bit off. So we'll definitely let the vendors know for future treadmills they produce. Some more plastic to take off. Alright, so now we have that plugged in. It was a little tough getting in there because the pins weren't exactly lined up. Anyways, we stood it up to plug it in a bit easier, and then now we can hit that, we can plug it into the actual wall and turn on the switch. Now the cord's a bit short, so we're going to use an extension cord because we have it near the middle of the home. Now let's turn on this on switch. Alright, so now we have that lit up, and what's very nice, there's a little on and off switch. There's no controls on the handlebar, so you'll just be controlling, or there could be a remote. We're going to check it out to see how it walks. Alright, now that we have it powered and on, my sister's going to demonstrate how it feels. There is no incline on this treadmill, it's just one level. And basically it's a walking treadmill, and you can go up to 8 miles, which is like a jogging speed.
You can let your mouth.
I don't know.
I was like, you can run 8 miles an hour.
So it comes with the remote. I think you need to be on it. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so it came with the remote.
This is at 0.9 speed.
Let me show the remote. Now, this treadmill comes with a remote control. The first one's a plus sign to go faster, the middle one's to stop, and the minus sign at the bottom makes it go slower. And then it comes with a handle so you can hold on to it, but we're going to be right next to the island so we can just set it down what you want to put it on.
I don't have my Fitbit on right now. You can hold down the remote.
You can hold down the remote to increase your speed more.
And it counts your steps, too.
But it won't save them.
Yeah, but it counts them.
Alright, let's see how... I know you're not wearing any shoes, so this is just a sample. We're going to put a link below if you want to check it out on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I just didn't see any for Rhythm Fun and wanted to just try to increase our walking since we are in shelter in place. And we're going to be at home with just me, sister, and my dog. Our dog. That's Cooper in the camera. Cooper, move.
So this is 4 miles, which is a very fast walk. So 8 miles an hour is quite fast. I changed colors to green. Yeah.
So, also my sister and I are about 5'4", and it's a pretty good stride for our height. I'm not sure how it'll work out for taller people.
True.
Since they have a longer stride, you might be running, falling short of how much you can use.
I wonder if Cooper would like it.
So you can see how quiet this machine is. It is moving right now. And on the screen, this shows your speed. This shows your time, how long you've been on it, your distance. So like if you want to do a mile walk, and then how many calories you burned. This machine does not save your data, but if you do have like a tracker like a Fitbit or Apple Watch, you can definitely track your steps on here. So you see the speed's at 5 and it's still pretty quiet. The color changes when you got to a higher level of speed.
I would never be running this fast. Just so you know.
The highest speed, I believe, is 8, which is that jogging speed. But a lot of people will use this type of treadmill for walking.
Oh, it goes in. That's it.
8.8.
Cooper. I'm gonna turn it off.
So now
Stop.
my sister hit the stop button on the remote. So you can see how it gradually stops. It can't just stop on a dime. And you see how quiet it was. So it was pretty quiet even when Jasmine was on it, and nobody was on it right now. And it was a nice speed. So it really is just take it out the box, take off the plastic, plug it in, and you're good to go. We didn't have to screw in anything. On the right side of the machine, you can see a orange tab. We saw that when we were plugging it in. That is a spot where you can fill the lubricant. It came with 2 bottles, and in the booklet it'll tell you when to add it to keep the belt lubricant throughout its time. Lubricate it throughout its time. Now, just for fun, we're going to see how it works for dogs. The website does not talk about having dogs on it. It's purely for humans. But we just wanted to see what would it feel like for our dog. He's about 6 years old and a California pound mix. You can see his paws are a bit spread out.
Good boy. Good boy. Good job, Cooper. Good job, Bubba.
Well, we know you can be a runner because he runs around in the backyard.
He didn't like it.
Well,
He didn't like it.
it was still very safe, so no one would go flying off on this treadmill. So overall, it feels like a good experience, and please continue to check out my other videos. As you see, when we go on cruises, we do walk around the ship, and when we go to Disney World, we definitely do a lot of walking. So we're gonna be in the living room, and we can put on like maybe those walking videos like on the island or in the theme parks, and still get in our steps while we're going to be at home. So thanks for watching our video, and if I've earned it, please like, subscribe, and share, and have a wonderful day. Bye.